Assalamu alaikum. Hi, my dear students. Good morning to everybody. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Okay. Before starting the lesson, I want to say something. All the students, you are all sending the voice message of the summary in English. A few students only sending the summary, I think so, but they are doing well. I'm very happy because you are reading the text, watching the video, and you are writing the summary by your own. Some of the students, I think, they are writing the own and they are seeing the summary. It's definitely, I want to appreciate you, and it will improve your English. Okay, it will improve your English. If you improve in English, all the subject it will be easy for you when you can understand. Okay, so uh, keep on doing that work. Okay, any doubt, if you have any doubt in English pronunciation or anything, you can call me. I'm very happy to help you. Okay, so last class what we have studied, what lesson we started, that is an interesting lesson, a shipwrecked sailor. Those who have the textbook, please take your textbook. Okay, a shipwrecked sailor. It's a very, very interesting lesson, isn't it? Okay, actually, we started this lesson, I think, past three classes we are I'm taking this class. So, because it's also long lesson, how we have completed the last previous chapter, in the same way this lesson also long lesson, because each and everything I want to describe you, otherwise you won't understand the story. Understand? So what is the central character? Central character is Luis Alejandro Valesco. The names are a little difficult only, but when you are reading, you have to pronounce. Open your mouth and say loudly. Okay, Luis Alejandro Valesco. So here I written the characters. Listen. What is the lesson name? A shipwrecked sailor. Understand? So what are the characters? Luis Alejandro Valesco is the central character. Okay, he is describing everything what had happened in the sea. Okay, so he was 20 years old, and then Carabello is his friend. Okay, they are shipmates, and then Castillo also, and then Rengifo, and then Raymond Hirara. Okay, Raymond Hirara. So these names are little difficult only, but if you pronounce one or two times, it will be easy only. Okay, so the central character is Luis Alejandro Valesco. He was not only Luis Alejandro Valesco, but also his shipmates are traveling in the ship. Okay, what happened? Sudden a storm, heavy storm. Okay, strong storm was attacked the ship. We usually swing in the TV and all know, suddenly one news came, the ship was drowned in the sea, like that. In the same way, when they are traveling in the ship, yes, strong heavy storm, Storm. What do you mean by storm? What do you mean by storm? Storm means strong winds. Okay, storm means strong winds, and rain. Often rain will come, and thunder also. Understand? So storm means strong winds and rain, often thunder. We can see that. Okay. So and then what happening in the middle of the sea? Sorry, in the middle of the sea, the storm was attacked the ship. The ship was wrecked. What do you mean by wrecked? Wrecked means damaged. The ship was damaged. If any damage happen in the ship, means the ship will automatically drowned. Automatically drowned. Okay, so what happened? The ship was drowned, and all the what is that? The persons in the ship are what struggling for life. Okay, they are in the sea. Okay, so what happened? Luis Alejandro Velasco was describing, okay, what had happened to him, and he was what he was telling. First, he saw the life raft. Life raft, I told you. What do you mean by life raft? Life raft is a type of boat used in the ship. If any this type of thing happen means they will use this life raft. Okay, it's like small boat, understand? So life raft, last class I wrote in on the boat, a type of boat that is carried on a large ship, understand? So he saw Luis Alejandro Velasco, he saw two life raft. Okay, so one is often it goes away from him. He was trying, but he cannot reach. At last, he reached one life raft and get into the life raft. Understand? So what happened? He has one oar. Okay, he has one oar. Oar means in the small boat we are using one thing. No, that is OAR. Okay, oar. So to use the rowing, to use that rowing. So he has that, and he somehow he was sat in the, what is this, life raft. But other his friends are not catch that life raft. They are struggling in the water only. And last class I told you that Castillo was clinging to Carabello's neck, isn't it? No, Castillo, where is that? Castello had a grip around Carabello's neck. So Castello, one of the character, Castello was clinging, having a grip on Carabello's neck. So both cannot move. Okay, so they are hugging each other and they cannot move from one place to another. It's one of the sight was seen by Luis Alejandro Velasco. And then what happened? And another character is Luis Rengifo. Luis Rengifo is a very stubborn and confident in swimming, and he is also trying to reach the life raft. Okay, and then what happened? I think page number 48, first paragraph up to we have finished. Towards the raft, I was sure he would make it. I had heard him snoring below my bank. I was convinced that his serenity was stronger than the sea. So Rengifo was very confident in swimming, and he want to reach the life raft. Okay, reach the life raft. Understand that much of struggling for his life. Okay, so you have to imagine. Actually, it's a story, but in reality, it's very dangerous. Okay, most of them will die. Actually, one movie have come. No, Titanic. It's a very famous movie. So in that movie also the ship was drowned in the sea. The most of the people was died. A few members only escaped from that dangerous situation. Okay, so like in the same way, this ship also drowned, and all are struggling. But you have to imagine, it's not like a normal weather. In the middle of the sea, the temperature is very cold. Okay, so in that, and the wind also, it's a storm time. Okay, it's a storm time. The storm was occurring in that time. So what happening? They cannot the swim also. They cannot swim because the opposite wind was forcefully coming. So it's all are very danger. We cannot imagine also. So and then what happened? Up to that we have seen. In contrast, that is page number 48, first paragraph we finished. I will continue that. Okay. In contrast, Carabello was struggling with Castello. So we already know Carabello was struggling with Castello. So that Castello wouldn't let go of his neck. Okay. Castello wouldn't let go of his neck. So both are clinging to each other. They were less than 3 meters away. I figured that if they got just a little closer, I could hold out an oar for them to grab. So what this Luis Alejandro Velasco was in one life raft. He was sat in that life raft. So he thought he can throw that oar, O-A-R. Oars are used for rowing the boat. Okay. Oars. What is the meaning of oars? Oars are used for rowing the boat. Understand? So I told you, it's like long spear like in the edge. You have one blade like structure. Okay, to row that. I think this is the structure of that oars. We use it for rowing. We use this for rowing on the boat. Understand? So, Luis Alejandro Velasco, he thought to throw that oars so that they can, they can hold that oars and they can get into the another life raft. He thought like that. And then what happened? But that moment, a gigantic wave lifted the raft. What happened? Lifted means if the waves are very force means the oar, the raft will go upward. They cannot catch the raft. Okay, they cannot catch the raft. And from the top of the huge crest, I could see the mast of the small ship heading away from him. So, what do you mean by mast? M-U-S-T. Mast means a tall pole on a boat. In a boat, you have one long metal-like structure in your boat to support the ship. Okay, to support the ship. That is the meaning. Okay, understand? And then what happened? So in a ship, you have one metal-like structure. It will support the boat. Okay, so he cannot the boat the ship they were traveling. No, that ship was going away from him. He cannot see the mast. So it's going away from that. Okay, the ship which they were traveling, that ship. Okay, and then what happened? Heading away from him. I cannot see it because it's going away, because there are very heavy strong waves or attacking. Okay, the strong waves are attacking and the ships are moving away from us. When I came down, again Carabello had vanished. What happened? Carabello vanished with Castello. So both are struggling. No, they are one after another. They are hugging with the neck. Both are, what happened? They are vanished means they disappeared. Alone 2 meters away, Rengifo was still swimming calmly towards the raft. What happened? But one person, Rengifo, was still having the confidence and swimming towards the raft. He want to reach the raft. I don't know why I did this absurd thing, knowing I couldn't move forward. So he was very, he thought he done a foolish thing. Who? Luis Alejandro Velasco. Why? I couldn't move forward. I cannot move forward. I put the oar in the water. So what happened? If Luis Alejandro had one oar, he was throwing the oar on the water to help the his mates, his friends. But what happened? If he's not having that oar, how he can row the boat? So he thought, absurd means foolish. I done a foolish thing. Water as though trying to prevent the rat from moving, trying to anchor it in the place. Rengifo exhausted. So, Rengifo now exhausted means very tired. Paused a moment, then raised his arm as he could when he held his headphones aloft and shouted again. So, he has one headphones that also he cannot continuously have in his hand, and then shouting, Festo, row over here. Okay, so Rengifo is calling Luis Alejandro, please come near to me, row that. He was shouting to Luis Alejandro Velasco. Okay, understand? Festo means he is calling, what is this nickname? I think for Luis Alejandro he is calling. Festo, row over here, come near to me, help me. He was calling who? Rengifo. Okay, up to this I am stopping this lesson. I think next class only we will complete this lesson. Next class I surely complete this lesson. Understand? Only one more pages is there. So until then, take care. Assalamu alaikum. This is a very interesting story. Please read the text, and if you have any doubt, I will clarify your doubt through phone. Okay. Until then, take care. Assalamu alaikum.